Hey, how's it going everyone? Today I'm going to teach you how to play Peaches by Justin Bieber, Givenon, and Daniel Caesar. And there's only 4 chords that you need to know, and we're going to start on that. So the first chord is F major 7. So to play this chord, you skip the low E string, you play the 8th fret on the A string, 10th on the D, 9th fret on the G, 10th on the B, and 8 on the high E string. The next chord is E minor 7. Again, skip the low E string, 7 on the A, 9 on the D, 7 on the G, 8 on the B, and 7 on the E string. The next chord is D minor 7. Again, this is just E minor 7 in terms of the shape, or you think on the cage system, it's an A minor 7, but you move it to there. If you're a noob, here's how to play it. So you skip the low E string, 5 on the A, 7 on the D, 5 on the G, 6 on the B, and 5 on the high E string. The last chord is C major 7. Again, this is F major 7 in terms of the shape, or you can think of it as an A major 7, which you move it to here. Now to play this chord, 3 on the A, 5 on the D, 4 on the G, 5 on the B, and 3 on the high string. So these are just the 4 chords that you need to know to play this song. It's very simple, you're just playing these 4 chords throughout the song, and you can't start it without learning some picking patterns. So I'm going to show you how to play it. So I'm just going to play it one time at normal speed, the second time at very slow speed, and the third time as slow as I can possibly go for you guys to follow. Alright, the second time slow. So I did mess up on the last chord, but that's okay. And then the last time as slow as I can do. So this is just the bare essentials to play Peaches. Try practicing this for a week, and before long you got the whole song down. That's all I have for you guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, please turn on the notifications, and comment down below if it's helpful or not, and consider watching my other videos, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next video.